The big news that we are tracking this hour, it's the rape and death of a 6-year-old child in Uttar Pradesh's Aligarh. The news that's just coming in, a confirmation from the post-mortem report that there was indeed a sexual assault and the death was due to those injuries. The child's body was found dumped in a garbage bin yesterday. 3 policemen, including a circle officer, have been suspended after the police cracked down on the family of the minor who were protesting. The local circle officer was seen beating up women. What's worse, when confronted later, the SSP demanded to know how rape could be proven if there were no eyewitnesses. The UP government is under fire from activists and opposition parties over this incident.
आवश्यक पुलिस यहाँ पहुँच गई है और सभी स्थिति नियंत्रण में है।
जाम लगाने के बाद कोई मांग वगैरह की थी कि वैसे
नहीं, ये एकदम शरारती कुछ तत्व आए हैं, उन्होंने मौके का फायदा उठाया। ये डेंस इलाका है, यहाँ पर काफी मकान है, काफी पब्लिक यहाँ पर रह रही है।
सर, इसमें लड़की के साथ में बलात्कार हुआ था?
ये आप कैसे तय कर सकते हो या हम कैसे तय कर सकते हो?
प्रकार की कार्रवाई की जा रही है, दबिश वगैरह दिया आरोपियों को, क्या करेंगे?
परिजनों ने होता देखा क्या?
चंद्रवती में धक्का मारा, हम ठाड़े में धक्का मारा, डंडा मारे और हाथ में चोट है, पैर में चोट है और चांद में चोट है।
आप लोगों को क्यों मारा? आप लोग क्या कर रहे थे?
हम तो ठाड़े, सब ठाड़े, और ठाड़े में आके ऐसे मारा उनने। और कार्रवाई सगन मार रहे हैं, छोड़ रहे हैं, घर में तो बंद कर ले जा रहे हैं बाल कनकू, ऐसे लड़की नहा रही है, गाँव में घुस रहे हैं, लड़की मार दी, लड़की मार दी और हमको और मार रहे हैं पुलिस वाले।
ले गए बॉडी को, फिर लाठीचार्ज बाद में करिए। मुझको मारा है, परिवार को मारा है, गांव को मारा है। इससे मेरी ये मांग है कि मेरी बच्ची के जो बलात्कारी हैं उनको गिरफ्तार किया जाए, फांसी की सजा मिलनी चाहिए। पुलिस ने कोई नहीं किया है, हमको ही धमकाया, गाँव को मारपीट की है।
लड़की को और जबरदस्ती लड़की को डंडा मार के ले गए हमको, बागे बाद में फिर बाप भी मारा, मैं भी मारी, सबरी जनता मारी है, ये सब और सब घायल करे। उसको ऐसा होना चाहिए, उसको पकड़ के लाओ यहाँ पर।
Joining us from Aligarh with the very latest is CNN IBN's Shubhajit Sengupta. Shubhajit, first get us confirmation that the post-mortem report is now saying that there was indeed a sexual assault.
Absolutely, Ananda. On the basis of the post-mortem report, they have added the section 376, which pertains to rape in the FIR, which basically means that there was sexual assault on that minor girl before she was killed. She was killed by strangulating. So these are the detailed findings of the post-mortem report, and on the basis of that, they have now handed over the investigation of this particular case to the crime branch of Aligarh. Now, there are 2 investigations which are going on right now. One is a probe by the DIG Aligarh Range himself, which is on the behavior of the policemen, which we had seen, which has shocked the entire nation, wherein they came in, they beat up every woman, child, and even the men all around the area. And the other is the main case, which pertains to the investigation of who did the heinous crime of picking that girl up, taking her to the field, and sexually assaulting her before killing her. So these are the 2 investigations which are going on right now. As of now, police do not have any clue as to who could be the man behind this, who could have killed this girl, but they are saying that the crime branch is now handling the investigation.
Shubhajit, as you're pointing out, there are 2 fronts to this case. One is the rape itself and the death of that child. Also, the police's callous reaction. What action has been taken on that front?
Absolutely, this is the question I put to DIG Aligarh Range, and he said that he has censured the SSP and asked him to mind his language. Apart from that, he said that this is part of the probe which has been ordered by the DGP of Uttar Pradesh and which has been done by himself. So after the probe is over, which I guess will be done in another couple of days, by Monday we'll have a clear picture whether they have acted on the SSP or not. As of now, he has been censured.